How to do sponsored ads on Instagram. Firstly, open App Store or Google Play Store on your device. Now search for Instagram application. After that, check for any updates that may be available for Instagram. If you see any update option available, make sure to update those. Now on your device, open Instagram, go to your profile and tap on the three-line icon at the top right corner. Now in order to run sponsored ads through your profile needs to be professional. That means if you have a personal or creator account on Instagram, you will not be able to run ads. You will need to switch to professional account. Type in professional and click on switch to professional account. Once you have switched to professional account, you will see this boost post option. If you tap on boost post, then you can see more details about how to boost your post. Make sure that you have added a profile picture. If you don't have a profile picture, then you cannot use this feature. Now just select choices according to your preference. Now select your appropriate fees and run your ad. That's all for today. Thank you.